Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, right now in front of you HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 3835 model number. Print, fax, scan, copy, and through web you can print also. This is 3-in-1 printer, actually multifunctional printer with the fax utility as well, and there is automatic document feeder also. Okay, fine. What is the issue? If we will give the command to this printer print from computer, or let's suppose I click copy and we start copy black, you can see it's feeding the paper and it's getting stuck in the middle, not feeding complete. Okay, it's getting stuck here, and you can see the message on the screen. Message is on the screen that load paper and press OK. And the printer is out of paper. Fine. So today I will teach you what is the issue. Paper is there, but it's not feeding. It's getting stuck in the middle. So there is something fallen from here. We have to find out what is the issue. First of all, without disassemble this printer, do not need to disassemble this. Just turn it off, disconnect the power cable, and move upward, and you can see this is open. The down cover is open. This should be closed like this. Okay, and now this we will pull it down and we'll check now. Before it was not feeding, let's feed the paper and check. Change the setting to A4. I gave the copy command, and you can see guys, it's feeding now well. It's not getting stuck. Before it was getting jam over here in the middle. The down cover was open. I don't know, it was mistakenly open or something was stuck before inside. So you have to make sure that down cover should be closed, and if there is anything getting stuck inside, so you have to open the down cover that just opened before and try to find out something fallen from here. It will go straight away to that place, the down one. This was the method to first step to getting the remedy of this paper jam or no paper error. You can do it like this. If the issue will not be resolved, we have to disassemble this printer. So in case you have any question regarding this model 3835 DeskJet Ink Advantage, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching guys. Take care. Bye.